Hi friends, this is Leela. Welcome to my channel Leela WebDev. So we have learned about the add event listener and also a callback function. These concepts we have learned. So let's try to do a sample example so that this sample example will give us a practical idea how this add event listener and also the callback function is implemented. So this is for the basic newbies who are trying to learn about the JavaScript and who are having some doubts. So if you are experienced guys and all those things, you can skip this example. You can have a look over at one by using fast forward. But the people who are newbies and they are learning to willing to learn about the JavaScript means, so you can see this example and you can practice it. So now what I am trying to do is I am creating an HTML and I am creating a circle so that in that circle, if I click on that circle, so it needs to change the colors. The circle has to change the colors. Let's try to see. So here I am creating an HTML. Okay. And I will be writing here div id is equal to container. Let's try to have a container. It's a simple example. I want to show you the demo. So div, here I can have h1. So welcome to the circle click or something like this. Here I'll be having a div element. So click on the circle below to change color. So if I try to show you the output will be in such a way that here we are able to see this one. So we'll try to make the simple CSS also, design also. And here I will be having wrapper or anything. So you can have it or not. So div id is equal to circle. So I am having one circle here. I will be having one note also, which I would be trying to add it dynamically through the JavaScript. So that's it. So this is our thing we are having. Let's try to have a CSS file. So here I will be having style.css. So now this is our thing, right? So here let's go into this one. Let's take the container and I will apply. Sorry, this is the app.js style.css. Let's make it as text align. Sorry, text align center. Okay, you see the example. So here we are able to see it is in center. I have a circle, right? So let's try to have a circle here. For getting this circle, what I can do, so here let's go to the circle and I can make something like width of 200 pixel and a height of 200 pixel. And what I need to do, border radius. So in order to make it as a circle, border radius 50%, and we can have a color, background color, some random color we can give. So random color I'm trying to give. So this is the circle. So we need to make it center. In order to make it center, what I can do, so here I am applying margin auto. You see here, this is center. Let's move it little bit down. So here I can keep something like 20 pixel down. So top and bottom you'll be able to see it, this one. Okay, we moved the circle. Now let's try to add the note also. So let's keep the note like this. So this is the simple CSS which I am trying to do it. So if you want, you can also do some design. Let's go to the app.js. So that means our script file. So I am adding the script file here. Script file and type is equal to text / JavaScript and the source is equal to app.js. So we are having app.js, right? So that's it. Let's go to the app.js. First we need to add a dynamic text. So for adding this dynamic text for the node, let's take this document.getElement by id of node. So I am trying to take the node. We know that one, text content. So this is pure DOM manipulation content or something like this. We can add anything whichever we want. So just I am adding it like this. So if you try to see the output, so here we are able to see. So this content is coming dynamically from the JavaScript. So through the DOM manipulation method, I am trying to do it. Second one is, now what I need to do here, when I click on this circle, it needs to change the color randomly. So random colors it needs to change. So what I can do, first let's take the circle element. So let's circle is equal to document dot get element by id of circle. So I got this circle. So first we need to add the event listener. Circle element target dot add event listener of. So what is that one I need to add? Click. So click, and this one you need to have a callback function. So here I can have a callback function, change color. That's it. So now we need to have a function for this one. Function change color. So first we need to get a random color. So here let random color is equal to. So I will be applying some code here. We will try to explain those all things. So math.random I am trying to take, and I am multiplying it with 1677216. So why I am multiplying with this one, I will try to explain you. So let's try to console that one random color. Okay. So now if you try to see the output, let's go to the inspect element. Let's do the console. And if you click on this one, sorry, console. So we are able to get some unique numbers, right? And we are getting this decimal part also. Let's try to remove this decimal part by using math.floor. So here I will be using math.floor. Math.floor. Now if you try to see here, now I am able to get some unique number. Now what I want to do, so I want to convert this one to the hexadecimal. Why? Because the colors of this one will take the hexadecimal number. So let's try to convert it into hexadecimal. So to convert it into hexadecimal, we can use toString, and we need to pass the notation here 16. So it will convert it into hexadecimal. Let's see whether it will convert into hexadecimal or not. So here if I try to refresh, see here we are able to get an hexadecimal number, right? So now you need to add hash in front of this one so that we will be able to get it. See, for some reasons we are able to get something like 5-digit number, right? So here the color will not change. So here also you are able to get 5-digit number. For hexadecimal thing, you need to get 6-digit number. Okay. So for getting 6-digit number, for example, let's say that where x is equal to, I am having some 5-digit number 1 2 3 4 5. So for this one, what you can do is x dot pad start. So you will be having a pad start. So I want to have 6-digit number. So you can accommodate with the 0. Okay, all the time. So it will be accommodated with the 0. So if x is having, so 1 2 3 4 5 6, okay, if you are trying to do the pad start, so it will not add the 0. So if you are getting something like 5-digit number, means we need to add a 0 in front of this one. So if you have, you can also add this one. So for example, here I can do random color dot pad start of 6. Must and should, it should be 6, or otherwise add it with a trail start 0, or otherwise you can also use the ending 0 also. So that's it. Now all the time the random color will be 6-digit number. So here if you, sorry, it's a 6, not a number, 6-digit string here, 6 count we will be having. So now 6 characters it will be having. See here, so now we are able to get correct thing. So now whenever you are having trailing 0 means, so somehow we are able to get 5-digit number. So now we will be getting all the time 6-digit number. Now I can add a hash in before this characters, and I can get a color. So what I can do here, so here instead of this one, circle dot style dot background color is equal to hash dollar random color. That's it. Finish. Now if you try to see the output, if you refresh it, let's try to remove this one. See, now we are able to get the random colors. So we have achieved this random colors through the simple logic. I will try to explain you about this hexadecimal digit thing, what I am trying to do it. But let's try to see the example. So this is how we are able to get the thing. So here what we have did randomly generated the hexadecimal code, and we are trying to make sure that it will be having 6 characters. If it is not having 6 characters, means we need to add at the start 0, and we are applying it with a background color using the hash thing. So this is what simple example which I am trying to do it. Hope you understood about this add event listener method and the simple example what I have did it. If you have any doubts or any suggestions, please post the comments below to this video. And if you like this video, please do support me by subscribing to my channel. Thank you.